Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter paneer masala. First, gather your ingredients, including 200 grams of paneer, 2 large tomatoes, and 1 onion. Begin by sautéing the chopped onions until golden, then add the tomatoes and cook until soft. This creates the flavorful base for your delicious curry. Next, blend your cooked tomato and onion mixture into a smooth, rich paste. In the same pan, add a tablespoon of butter and sauté 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Introduce spices like 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Stir in the blended paste, adding 1/4 cup of water, and let it simmer gently. Now, carefully add your paneer cubes to the simmering gravy, ensuring they are fully coated. Stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and a small pinch of sugar to enhance the flavors and achieve that signature richness. Cook for another 5 minutes, allowing the paneer to absorb the delicious sauce. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Your delicious butter paneer masala is now ready to be served. Enjoy this rich and creamy curry with warm naan bread, fluffy basmati rice, or even a simple roti. It's a perfect, comforting meal for any occasion. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car and other great deals. Enjoy your cooking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.